The cancer survivor specifically froze her embryos 6 years ago, hoping to use them to have a baby when she recovered. Well, now she's healthy again, but without any options left to have her own biological child.
Because the parties did not agree to a unilateral award, the court could only direct donation of the embryos.
You could feel her pain and see the sadness on Ruby Torres' face as she read through Thursday's Arizona Supreme Court ruling.
It doesn't seem fair. It doesn't seem right. Somebody else gets to dictate my right to have a child, to bring a baby into this world. All I want was that opportunity to try.
The Phoenix attorney has been in an ongoing court battle to keep her frozen embryos with the hope of starting a family. Back in 2014, Torres was diagnosed with cancer, but before she started chemotherapy, she went through in vitro fertilization. Torres and her ex-husband signed an agreement that said both would need consent to use the frozen embryos if they ever broke up or got divorced. When they did split up, Torres wanted the embryos, but her ex said no. Today, the Arizona Supreme Court had the final say that Torres cannot keep their 7 embryos and they'd have to be donated.
I just wanted the opportunity to experience what women experience every day in carrying a child, feeling a child kick inside of them, and bringing that child to term and being able to hold a baby that's mine.
Torres' case sparked outrage across the state and led to Arizona passing a new law last year that says in the case of divorce, the state must award frozen embryos to the spouse who plans to use them to have a baby after the couple splits up. And whoever doesn't want the embryos would not be required to pay child support.
I look at it as a very positive thing, and I'm glad that at least I've been able to make change for someone else, for other women, for others in my position, because they will at least have an opportunity and won't have to fight this battle.
The 39-year-old attorney tells me this was her last hope to have a child of her own. I reached out to the ex-husband's attorney for his reaction to today's ruling, but have not yet heard back. Jason Berry for Arizona's Family.